Namaste. Today I feel honored to speak about Ashadhi Ekadashi, one of the most important and spiritual festivals of India. Ashadhi Ekadashi, also known as Shayani Ekadashi, is celebrated on the 11th day of the bright fortnight of the Marathi month Ashadh. On this day, millions of devotees worship Lord Vitthal, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The heart of this celebration is at Pandharpur, where lakhs of devotees gather after walking for many days in the Warkari pilgrimage. These devotees are lovingly called Warkaris. They walk with great faith, carrying the palkis of Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj and Sant Tukaram Maharaj. They sing beautiful abhangas and chant Vitthal, Vitthal, Jai Hari Vitthal. The Wari is not just a journey, it is a symbol of equality, discipline and unity. This tradition is more than 800 years old and it continues to inspire the people of India even today. As the Warkaris reach Pandharpur, they take a holy dip in the Chandrabhaga river and then offer their prayers at the Vitthal temple. The sight is truly breathtaking. Saffron flags flutter in the air and men play different instruments like veena and mridanga, while women carry Tulsi Vrindavandas on their head. The entire atmosphere is filled with devotion, joy and happiness. On Ashadhi Ekadashi, these Warkaris observe a fast and spend the day in prayer, believing that Lord Vitthal blesses them with peace, happiness and prosperity. Dear friends, Ashadhi Ekadashi teaches us that true devotion is not about only rituals, but about true love, humanity, happiness and service to others. These timeless values make our life meaningful. Today, let us all take inspiration from these Warkaris and fill our hearts with faith, unity and compassion. May Lord Vitthal bless us with good health, wisdom and happiness. Thank you.